Local productions on QTV are made possible with support from viewers like you. Thank you.
Students and faculty members in the Technical, Trades, and Manufacturing Division have been building a one-of-a-kind green buggy, which is a unique electric car made of parts from existing vehicles. To find out more about this project, we met with Hector Orlandi, instructor in the Automotive Services Technology program.
The green buggy is the most exciting thing that I have done in many, many years. Came about from an idea of Tom Coates, which is the coordinator for the automotive program. At the same time, I was working on developing the new hybrid electric program, and the foundation of this car is the Prius hybrid. But we want to go further than that. We are taking basically junk and making it run.
The goal of this project is to show that hybrid vehicles don't have to be just your basic, mundane point A to point B transportation. You could take a hybrid vehicle and have fun with it, or find different applications for hybrid drive systems.
The suspension comes from a minivan. The four-wheel steering is a combination of the Toyota Prius in the front with Toyota Prius in the back. So it's both of them in the same car, which is a unique feature of this platform that will have four-wheel steering, and it's all electric.
Well, overall, I really like this project because it's a means of having fun with alternative energy. You know, everybody thinks of green cars as being slow and underpowered and not have much fun with it. Where this thing here, we're able to take it off-road and go places that, you know, a normal Prius wouldn't go. So with a project like this, it's really in depth, and you get to see all the different things you normally wouldn't see because they're buried inside the car. Like, you don't see all the little strands of wires and how long they are and where they go and things like that.
The important things about this is that it is made by the students, so the students have to come up with ideas. Sometimes it's wrong, they try it out and it will be changed, and at the end it's something totally different of what they were expecting. But in the process, it requires a lot of critical thinking because it's nothing, there's no plans, there's no design, there's nothing. It's just we come up with whatever is required to perform in a particular manner, and they have to come up with the ideas. We can also involve other departments from the technical trades department, in which we can fabricate things. When we have CNC here, we have welding, we need to weld, so they're going to be involved, and we want to go across the whole college for ideas and involve everybody as much as we can.
Well, this is a one-of-a-kind vehicle, so essentially we're writing the service manual on this vehicle as we go. So if there's a part that we have to make fit, we got to make it fit. So we got to make custom brackets and weld things on here, and if it doesn't work there, then we cut it off and try it again. If you can't come up with a solution, we'll move on to something else, and then in a day or two we'll come back to that problem and we'll fix it.
When the green buggy car is finished, it's going to be used for recruiting, and it's also going to be used in the regular classes, and also in the new class that is coming about, that is on the hybrid electric, but also there are other 2 or 3 stages beyond this, which is going to be connected to a house. So this also is going to be serving as an emergency vehicle, so it can provide power for a house. So that's one of the other things that we're going to take it with. We have a house that is connected to the sun and is connected to the wind, and we are going to be charging the batteries of this car with the sun and the wind, and at the same time, when the night comes, then the car will provide power for the house. Other things that we are planning with this particular car and on many other cars is to make it a remote control car. So it will be drive on its own as a 1-to-1 scale remote control vehicle.
I'd really like to thank Delta for letting me volunteer on this project, and I'm able to apply the skills that I've learned in the classroom towards this project, and it's been a lot of fun. You know, it's not just the boring sit down and listen to lecture classroom. This is hands-on. You're getting your hands dirty. I'm getting metal shavings flying all over the place, and it's just great. You know, I really can't wait to see this thing finished.
is another example of our commitment to the environment and the communities we serve. Now, let's see what's on the Dateline Delta calendar of events.
Local productions on QTV are made possible with support from viewers like you. Thank you.